Brand new 12-mile Defender secured with a Starline Pro. Key's been cloned, thief goes to drive away, select a gear, vehicle switches off. As you can see, it's died. Customer can pair their phone or use a push sequence. With the push sequence, start the vehicle up, go through the code that we've kept simple, 1, 2, 3, they can obviously change it, hear a melody, there we go, now we can drive it. If they want to pair their phone up, use Bluetooth, all they have to do, have the phone locked and in their pocket, start the vehicle up, hear a melody straight away, the vehicle can be driven. No stalling out, vehicle's protected. Turn it off, 10 seconds later, vehicle's going to be secure, Bluetooth off, phone out of range, thief tries to steal it again, start it up, select a gear, car cuts out. There we go, vehicle's immobilised. We're Immobiliser Fit, our number is 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.